Andrew, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? What is it, 8:20? I bet this place fills up in no time. It's stage 2. Stage 2. Starting to fill up around here.
We got the good people around us.
And it's filling up with crazies already. We might leave early. Smell that. Smell of acrid smoke and horse's death. Huh? Smells awesome? Okay. Shoot. Yeah, well.
Oh, I missed! Sorry. My bad.
It's a high dollar shoe you're jacking with. You guys should just scoot over about 1 car length. You guys should come over 1 car length so we don't get somebody between us. Okay, here we are. The Creator's fireworks right there. And it's coming this way. It's been moving in since we've gotten here. And then yeah, look at that. Look at that thunder. Hear that lightning. Reminds me of an Ozzy Osbourne song once. Yep. Okay, that field right there, my prediction is that field right there will burn for morning. Look at it. It reminds me of Beyond Thunderdome. You know? It's like Mad Max out here. Beyond Thunderdome. By the lightning. Phase 4. Yeah, we got a storm to the west that's moving. It's probably going to clip us. We still get like things just flying all around. You never know.
Pretty much. Type in Bill Becker, YouTube, and you'll pull up how many, Bill? 40, 50?
Can't tell you nothing.
Bill?
What?
All those people right next to you have to have it. Remember, he has that eye test. He's there.
Wow. Ooh. Yeah, it's... Yeah, see, and it used to be, it was just touching those power lines earlier, and now it's above these. And then we got...
I don't either.
Start the car, Andrew. Everybody get in the car. We just started. Oh. Yeah, it's not even like dark. Two.
See why we used to park over the other.
Oh, you whiny butt.
I know it. Better, I'm a little distracted here because I'm freaked out.
later, Petey, Rosie.
They're going home before the storm hits. They have a GP. They have their...
They're going out that way. No, they're not. Where are they going? Yeah, they're going towards... No, ambulance is going to the doctor. I hope everybody's okay. That's heavy duty. Yeah, that's crazy, huh? Easy, easy, easy. Pull over, people. Well, let me say, it's pretty sparse around here. People are leaving like the Exodus is here. Ooh.
That's pretty with all of the gas. Ooh, that's cool.
That ain't it yet.
Yeah, I don't think we would have been able to keep those shorts if we hadn't been out.
Those drops are cold, huh?
That's beautiful.
Guess that was it.
I think that's it.
Nope, there went another. It's the pre-finale.
I think it's done.